In this video, we're going to share with you a simple and easy way to wash your RV, and we're starting right now. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to another video. My name is Aron with threetailsrv.com. If this is your first time here, you should consider subscribing because we are dedicated to helping you with your RV. We provide you with RV accessory reviews, DIY projects, tips, tricks, and other creative stuff. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on anything. And with that out of the way, let's get started with today's topic. Spring is here and it's time to get your RV ready for the road. The best way to get started is to wash the exterior of your RV. This may not be one of the most glamorous and fun-filled jobs, but it will help to make your home on wheels look that much better. Speaking of cleaning, check out this video right up here where we show you how to clean the awning of your RV.
Before starting to clean your RV, make sure that you close all slides, vents, and windows. When washing your RV, there are some simple rules to follow. Always start from the front of your RV and work your way down the sides. Don't try and wash the whole RV at once, break it into sections. This will ensure an even clean to the whole RV. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to washing. First, wet the area. Apply the cleaning solution with the foam cannon. We use 2-ounce mixture of Purple Power degreaser and 2 ounces of our favorite car cleaning solution. We recommend Meguiar's Car Wash and Conditioner. Remember to let it set so that it can penetrate the dirt and grime. Make the solution wet and don't let it dry. Next, scrub the area with a soft brush or microfiber mitt on an extension pole. Start at the top and work your way down. Extra scrubbing may be needed in troubled areas. Finally, rinse off the cleaning solution with a pressure washer or hose. Repeat this process for each section of your RV.
Lori and I would like to thank you for following along with us today, and if you know someone that would benefit from watching this video, go ahead and share this video with them. And if you haven't, head over to threetailsrv.com where you will find more posts and projects over there. Until next time, remember, live simple, live free, and enjoy the ride. And we will see you on our next video.